Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So y'all, in this video, I'm finna give y'all an overlook of what everything's looking like. Kind of give y'all a little plan of what I'm planning to do with the area for spring and summer season, y'all, because it's about that time. It's coming to that time. You know, I told y'all that we need to go ahead and try to prepare as much as possible. So today gonna be like 75 degrees. So I got a lot that I need to get done and show y'all so we can get this thing rolling together. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video, y'all. All right, y'all, so over here in this part right here, okay, so this will be my first part. I gotta get something and put this up. This is my olive tree, y'all. If y'all remember how small she was, I got to get my tape or my little my little things I got to pin her to keep her from leaning. But this is how she look. So over here, the rest of this got to get tilled up or whatever. I had stuff over here before we got that cold snap and everything just, you know, went crazy. But this is the space I'm working with. That's a lot of room. And this is supposed to be my fruit area. All right, my fruit area. I'll show y'all from a distant outlet. Let me go this way right here, because this is where I started putting my, so if y'all can see, this is the area all the way back. All this is supposed to be my fruit area. So I have my trees here on this side, and these are some empty buckets with just some weeds in it or whatever I gotta pull up. But look at this. I can't remember which bush it is. I know it's a blueberry bush, but it wasn't doing anything. A couple weeks ago, put these in the ground, and look, y'all, look at this. Yes, so it's loving it. It's loving it. I'm even getting stuff growing back on this one. Y'all can see right here. So it's loving the ground. I was wondering, because you know everybody's area is different. So over here I have like my muscadines and stuff like this in the ground. This blackberry bush, I know it's a blackberry, they loving it. Look at this. Look at it. And I'm loving it too. So I'm gonna end up trellising, getting a trellis for all these, because I think this one right here is my naked cherry, I think. But I'm gonna put trellis, and this is a raspberry right here. It was actually a cutting. And this one right here is a cutting. Yes, I did my own cuttings, y'all. So doing a trellis, and then probably gonna have a lot of melons and stuff, different type of melons and stuff I'm gonna grow here in the center, because they are vinely. And I may even put some melons along this part here where these buckets are, cause I can put a trellis there for the vinely stuff. Okay, but that's this part right here. Let's see. All right, that's this part, this whole area right here. I have a big space for that. So then let's see, we'll go this way and come back, because yes. So then I got this area right here. This basically have like broccoli and my cabbage and stuff like that in it. And I got some broccoli. Look like this one is going to, I didn't even see that. That one going to seed. I may just let that one go to seed, because it's already done started on. That's the broccolini. Or I may just pull, I haven't thought about it. This is another one. Those look good right there. But I got broccolis down here. Oh my goodness, hold up, y'all. See, so this spring and summer is not gonna be cabbage and stuff. It's probably gonna be more like squash and zucchinis and stuff like that. See, I didn't pull these, so now they was broccoli. This one is still good. That one right there, maybe. But everything else is like cabbage. Oh wait. Yes. Broccoli. I haven't been out here. Y'all know the last couple days I was not. Oh, shook it. Nah, wait a minute. Cause y'all know I was dealing with them cramps. Okay, so I hadn't came out here. So this is new for me. There go broccoli right there. Broccoli head coming right here. And look, y'all, I got cauliflower. It's coming. So y'all see what I'm saying? That diatomaceous earth work. Okay, I haven't put none out here in a minute, and it seemed like it got the job done. I ain't got no little bugs or anything like that. So I'm happy about that. Well, mainly them worms, but spring and summer. All right, so this is an open area right here too. Tatiana wants to start growing on her channel, so I think I'm going to give her this area right here. I'm going to trellis it off and give her this square area for her to grow and do her gardening there. Right here, this whole area here is probably going to be squash, zucchini, eggplant, stuff like that I will I'm going to take some of these buckets. Once these plants get through, I'm going to take some of these buckets and put them over there. Y'all will see. And then this probably going to be in ground. And I'm still going to have, I'm just going to tell you this, y'all. I may not even put my squash and stuff in buckets. I may put everything in the ground this year because I have so many videos showing y'all that you can grow it in buckets. So this year, for what I'm having going on with the flea market stuff and all that stuff, I probably put it in ground. What's going to be in my buckets, what I really want to grow in my buckets, is my Swiss chards and my heat tolerant greens. Okay, that's what I want to put in. This is the reason why. So it took the buckets up that was in this area, got this area tilled up and stuff, put the buckets around. All right, so this is my thing. Growing squash, zucchini and stuff like that, these buckets are too close. Those plants get big, they need room, or else you'll have powder mildew going on because it won't be enough breathable space, I guess you could say. So I want to put greens in those because greens can grow close. Okay, greens can grow close. I may even put corn in some of those because corn can grow close. Fill of corn, y'all see a fill of corn? I can put corn in those buckets. I may have corn, greens in those buckets. In the center, probably gonna be this right here is probably gonna be either this area. I don't know what this area is gonna be because I'm looking at, I don't want to make it because I'm doing all the peppers. The peppers 9 times out of 10 is gonna be over here. That's what I think. So yeah, we have buckets right here. I'm like, no, I can get more space that way too than on buckets. So some of them buckets, those buckets right there, it's gonna go. Y'all, we're in the process of cleaning up this backyard from pulling them grow bags out and stuff like that. So don't mind it. That's gonna be straight because I don't like I can't do it. But right now, that's what happens when you're cleaning it up. So I'm gonna put buckets along here. The buckets that I got along here outlining this area, and it's probably going to be in the center is all my pepper plants, the pepper plants that I would sell at the flea market. Okay, bell pepper, all type of peppers probably going to go in this whole area here. These were my okras, and I ain't cut them down, but my new okra is going to go probably in those buckets, and I'm going to take those up because I said I wanted to do okra in the ground this year. But I got a lot of okra from those buckets, so that tells you right there you can grow it in buckets. Okay, right here, yes. Y'all see how I got Brussels sprouts and stuff in the buckets? I got my my spinach and stuff in buckets and stuff, all that type. So this is greens. Okay, so greens won't be over here because I need this space for other stuff. I know beans. Beans is gonna be all up and down there. Beans, okay. Greens, these greens right here is established very well, so I may leave those there. I'm not gonna pull nothing up that's doing really good. Let's see. They doing good. Look how pretty they are, y'all. Look at this. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to come out here and harvest you. These are so pretty. So it's time for me to come out and do harvesting on the greens or whatever, but I may leave these here as long as they giving, they'll stay, and I'll just harvest. But I know beans will be there, and I know a lot of greens will be in the buckets. Right here is, what are you, Morris heading, collard greens still. So I'm gonna be planting stuff in between. Okay, whatever I can get planted in between, whether it's herbs or whatever. But I do know, like I say, I probably end up taking some of these up so I can use this space for something else and putting them in buckets, because I really want my charts and stuff in buckets so I can use this in-ground area. So, and even right here, I got my charts. Y'all know I did the harvesting of my charts, and now they are growing back just fine. So that is a big space. Let me go right here, and then I can show y'all just how big of that area it is. Huge area to grow in ground. So I just really have to get, because I'm doing tomatoes too, so I may put a couple tomato plants in that area right there, because I'm doing tomatoes for the flea market. Also, I should be able to dehydrate some tomatoes to make it better for me to like add to stuff or whatever without it giving me GERD. Okay, so that's the plan right there. So I got a huge area of stuff, well, a huge area of room. Okay, I have to get this out the way. Y'all know about this in a minute, and not in a minute. I gotta wait before I tell y'all about that. Y'all can just see it but I gotta wait before I tell y'all about that. Okay, I can't go in details about that. But some of y'all may know what it is, some may not, but it's sitting out, so I have to, I can't get by with it. But right here, see, right here is some of my greens, and these collard green right here I had gotten from Lowe's, and I took them out the buckets because they weren't doing so good, and it looked like they being very slow right now. I'm gonna get them a feeding and see, but that's why I'm starting all my stuff, because going to these big box stores and stuff like that, they stuff once 2020 happened, it just went crazy. Now something else that's going on the homestead is, y'all know what that is. That was where my quails was in. Okay, I'm gonna get in there, wash all that down, and I'm not gonna use it for the quails no more. No, I got other plans for that. I'm thinking about taking I got my quail in the hutch, okay, and I'm thinking about getting another one of these pens that the chickens is in, putting it over there, and putting it over there, let's see, and putting my hutches in, okay, for my quails. All right, that's what I'm actually thinking about doing. So it's a lot of algae and stuff up here on top. Y'all probably can't see it on top of the carport that we got under this. I really don't like it. Gonna have to wash that down really good. Once we let that down, it should be able to wash it down or whatnot. But yeah, so that's what's going on. So right now over there, since this is I'll do that later, because we talking about gardening now. So let me go to the top and show y'all what's going on up here. All right, y'all, so up here is, I have my greens and stuff that haven't too long planted. See my arugula trying to flower. It don't know what it should do because of this weather. Okay, take you off. I took one off from here the other day, but I don't want it to go to flower. But this is some greens up here. The Swiss chard that I transplanted, that I tried to keep from the cold, is right there. And then I got my collard greens over here that's in these containers, and then got some romaine kale, some red Russian kale right there. So this is some more Swiss chards that I actually was able to salvage from the cold. Y'all saw me transplant these a couple weeks ago or whatever. Also those right there. So they are doing really good. Got some lettuce and stuff like that going on. All right, y'all, so today is gonna be pretty much a cleaning day because it's warm. I want to go ahead and get some stuff. I got to get my Brita stuff done. I got to get everything cleaned up. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna deal with today. I got to go in there and clean that area out because of what I'm gonna be doing in there. So I really just need to get everything together, get everything nice and ready to go while we have these warm days. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little tour, give y'all a little update and some motivation of what I'm doing. Okay, so I told you, trying to get it started, trying to get stuff in order. Spring come, I don't want to be doing it. I need to be sitting and planting and relaxing and enjoying and all that stuff. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. That's my male quail right here. Y'all keep hearing him. Let me see if I can show you. I got 3 in there. 3 males. I don't know if you can see the white one. That's the white one that you keep hearing. But I will see y'all in the next video if it's God's will. Okay, y'all be safe. Bye.